Hi, today we're going to talk about advances in dental implant technology. This is your smile dentist Dr. Vikas Gaud, and we are going to discuss about the advantages of this newer technology available to us in dental implants. Initially, when dental implants came into being, it used to take a long time because first when the tooth was removed, we used to wait for a certain period of time for the gum and the bone to heal, and so that the infection goes away, and then we would go in and place the implant. Today, by a technique called immediate implant placement, we are able to place the implant at the time when we are removing the tooth itself. So we are actually avoiding two dental implant procedures or two implant surgeries for the patient, and in the same anesthesia we are able to do both the procedures at the same time. Number two, we are able to do immediate implant loading. So in certain cases when the bone quality and the quantity is good and is suitable to do dental implants, we are able to do immediate implant loading, that is placement of the implant and placement of the crown both at the same time. That means initially when we started dental implant technology or dental implants came into being, we used to first place the implant, wait for the implant to heal, that means the gum and the bone to heal around the implant, and only then go in and place the cap or the tooth on top. Today, with advances in the design and also on the surface of dental implants, we are able to replace the tooth in a very short period of time, sometimes on the same day or sometimes in a couple of days or weeks, that we are able to place the tooth directly. Even in cases where we have to do full mouth rehabilitation, that means all the teeth are missing sometimes in some cases, or sometimes I would say today with advanced technology, in most cases we are able to give immediate fixed replacement with teeth on the same day or the next day with these immediate implant loading technology. Well, a lot of times when we had to do a lot of bone surgery or the full mouth implants, it used to be extensive surgery and it used to take a lot of time. Today, we have guided implant surgery. That means we take the scan of the patient prior to the implant surgery, and there is a surgical guide that is made prior to surgery, which is placed on top of the jaws, and implants are drilled through it without even raising or cutting the gums. So this is called guided implant surgery, where the whole planning is done virtually in the computer, and this technology is transferred into a guide stent into the patient's mouth, and a surgery which normally would take 2 to 3 hours is done in half an hour to 45 minutes. So these are some of the latest advances, and this has made the treatment time and the comfort to the patient more easier, faster and better. So today with these advanced implant technologies, we are able to treat most cases, patients with diabetes, patients with medical compromises, even patients who have undergone jaw treatment or jaw surgeries after cancer have been treated today with this dental implant technology. So today the question is not whether these implants work, but the question is where all can these implants be used for. So we've been using them for finger prosthesis, ear prosthesis, face prosthesis, and also, as you all know, for dental implants for teeth. So for most cases we are able to treat them with dental implants, and these have been very successful and enjoy more than 98% success rate. So if you think you like the information that we have given you, please do like to our channel, subscribe to our channel, and if you think there are a lot of people who would be benefited from this information and this video, do share this video.